Cesana has made a really good upgrade for the C1 toilet. They call it anti-slupf or anti-slip in English. The anti-slip eliminates an issue where the liner with content sinks down. First, remove the lid, turn it around. It's easy to install the anti-slip. First, remove the hinge and the old spring. Then install the new and shorter spring and attach the hinge again. Then turn around the liner ring. Attach the two plastic spring holders, make sure they have the right direction. Turn around and place the liner ring again and attach the lid. Now you have 80 cm more liner available per package because unnecessary film consumption due to slippage is eliminated.